Hello, I'm Ben Chambers. I'm here to teach you how to print on your Flsun QQ-S Pro. We got a lot to go over today, from slicing to printing to what to look for after the print is over. So let's go ahead, hop over to the computer, and get started. Like I said, printing requires slicing. Slicing is the most important part of any print. So today, we're going to be using Cura. Cura is by far the best starting slicer out there. I'm going to show you how to open up your model and get it sliced and ready to print. So if we go up here to our top left and click the File button, we can click right here on 3D Benchy, which is our model for today. And it will take a few seconds, but it'll load in. Here's our little boat. Looks pretty nice. For this, it has a lot of red on it. That's just where it wants to put support material. Or if you look up here, we're keeping support material off. So next up, we're going to click Print, and it will take a few seconds, but it's going to tell us that this print takes about an hour and 1 minute and uses about 10 grams of filament. That won't change as long as you don't change your settings. It'll probably be like an hour and 5 minutes really, because it does take time to heat up the hot end and build plate, but that only varies depending on how hot your stuff will actually get. It'll usually set at around 195, 200 degrees, which is perfect for especially modern day PLAs. Once it's already sliced, we can go ahead and click the Save Disk button, or if you have your SD card in, it will say Saved Removable Drive, pretty much the same thing. Now, on to the next step, which is our favorite step, printing. When we come over to the printer, we can see that we have 3 different buttons. We have Tools, Set, and Print. Tools will be how you home your printer, move it around into your leveling. Set will allow you to clear that leveling or change your bed, see if it's warped at all. Print here, however, is going to allow us to tap on it, and we can see we have multiple different things here, but mine's right here in the second folder labeled Model, and it's right here in the bottom left named Benchy. So we're going to go ahead and confirm saying we want to print this, and we'll go ahead and start heating up the build plate and the hot end. Now that the print started, it's pretty much a waiting game. We can wait until the first layer is done to see if it's actually going to stick or not, and then we can just wait till the print's finished. We can take a nap, read a book, or go do some other hobby. It takes time for 3D prints to come out, and that's something you have to remember. This print will not be done immediately, but it's a really short print, so we only gotta wait 1 hour. So until then, let's just watch some sick time lapses. The print's done, and this is what we got. Some deformities here on the side and the front, but everything on the inside, even the rings and the port, look very, very good. The smokestack came out perfectly, and the walls are extra smooth, with little to no noise in them. The more you work with your printer, the better your print quality will get, and this, for settings that weren't even meant for it, looks pretty good. That's why I recommend this printer for those who are just beginning or those who are more experienced with printers, because it gives you some astounding quality. Today we learned how to slice, print, and what to look for after the print. And honestly, there's not much more you need to know if you're a beginner. I've been Ben Chambers. Thanks for watching.